Why do I feel like I linger?
So this is the new Pioneer that I'm gonna run. It's pretty basic, just has a USB port, hooks up to Bluetooth, does Bluetooth audio. Really simple thing, but it's fine. Got the dash plate, the faceplate replacement stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if the harnesses match up to the aftermarket stereo that I'm gonna put in. Hopefully we get lucky and they match.
A few minutes later.
Yeah!
Here we go, let's hear it. Today, we're gonna be wrapping up Tanner's car. Gotta go pull that thing around. And then we're gonna be picking the winner for February's throtl VIP sweepstakes. You don't wanna miss that. Now, before we get to the main topic of today's video, I realize I haven't driven the M3 in quite a while, ever since I removed the wrap. So I'm gonna go out for a little cruise. It goes from being like super tame and normal daily drivable car to absolute monster in just a second. So here's normal daily driving. No boost, a little bit of boost, but under 5 PSI, and then just ready. Man, I freaking love it. Now that is done, I hope you guys enjoyed that in-car footage. Hopefully it came out good. Now it's time to pick the winner for February. Let's go inside and see if Alex and Rick are ready. All right, you guys ready to pick the winner for the $5,000 giveaway?
Oh yeah,
let's do it.
Favorite time of the month.
All right, so we just put all the VIPs into this random list picker thing online. You can see all the VIPs in here. Pick the random winner. Red line 50 just won. Oh, 5. You just won $5 grand, baby! Woo! Is that Nick Caramico? I think so. Dude, it is! No.
That's Nick.
It's a BA. It's a BA.
Guess who just won?
Whoop me, baby! I got 5K, baby!
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and call Nick right now. Hey, I'm sitting here with Rick and Alex, and I just wanted to let you know that you won February's $5,000 new performance parts sweepstakes for throtl VIP.
No.
You freaking won, dude.
Congratulations, man.
Congrats. 5Gs, anything you want, man.
Oh my god, so many drive shafts.
Congrats, dude.
God.
You've been a VIP for a while. You've been a brand ambassador. We could not think of any more. You know, totally random. You won in the random picker. You'll see in the video later this afternoon. So congratulations, dude. We will be in contact with you. You get to choose whatever you want in new performance parts.
Oh my god, you have no idea how much this like moves my build.
Awesome, dude. Yeah,
Awesome.
We can't wait to see what you do with it, and thanks for being a throtl VIP.
Oh my god, this is an awesome.
No way, no problems, dude. Like, that's why we created this. This is gonna make your project, take it to the next level for sure.
Oh my god, it is. Thank you so much, man. I'm pretty sure I already have the list made. So as soon as I get home, as soon as this nightmare with my tires are over, I'll definitely send you over
all right.
information to start it.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Thanks, man.
Sounds good. We'll talk to you soon, man.
All right.
All right. See ya. Congrats, Nick. I will put his Instagram up here so you guys can go check it out. You know, one other thing that I want to make sure you guys know is your chances are actually better than you think of winning. So I legally can't tell you exactly how many people are in the entry for it, but the chances are better than you think, I promise you that. So if you guys are interested in the throtl brand ambassador program, I will leave a link in the description below. Go ahead, check it out. You actually can earn money, prizes, and merch and all that stuff for supporting throtl. So go ahead, check that out. The link is in the description. I think that's all the time we have for you guys today. So if you like what you saw in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next one.